Hi friends, this is a straight to the point review of this cordless vacuum cleaner. Let's see what's inside. You get the instruction manual, quick start guide. Alright, let's open it up. Let's see what it is. So this looks like an extension pipe, flat and brush. This one looks like the reach. Then we have a little brush. Oh, looks like the battery pack. Alright, let's open the second level. So we got a filter. Here it is. Looks really good. Power cord is our motorized brush. Alright, first of all, the colors on this thing is amazing. As you can see, it's I want to say a more of a modern grays color with some navy and gold accents. If you can see, I could put it together real quick. It's very easy to do. Take the battery, it locks in and clicks in. That's number one. Then if you want to use the attachment, clicks in, and then one of the other attachments on the end, click in. You can switch them up fairly easily. Push the button, take it out, push the next one in. After you're done, take it out, and then you have the very last one, which is the brush. Same thing. If you would like to extend it, it is extendable. So another thing about this is it is wall mounted. So if you want to, you can actually wall mount this with this included wall mount. Very simple to do. And wall mount this bracket to the wall, and there you go. If you would like to charge it, you can either take out the battery or you could plug it in as it's mounted. Alright you guys, so it does have a really quiet motor, as you can hear. And then it does have a maximum speed that you can do. All you got to do is there's a button here to change the speed of the vacuum, which actually increases the power. And as you can hear, it got a little louder, and look at the results. It is good for both carpet and laminate or hardwood flooring. Picks up everything real good. Alright guys, so it does have a fairly large capacity battery, and it will allow for this unit to run about 45 minutes on normal mode and about 20 minutes on maximum mode. Alright guys, I did wanted to show you a useful thing about this is it's fairly compact, so you can actually reach far down into the underneath your couch. You can go on the sides of the furniture, no problem. Alright guys, this does have a fairly large capacity trash bin, and it is very easy to remove. All you gotta do is click this button, it opens it up, tosses it out, clicks back in. Last but not least, it does have a really good filtration system. It will filter out about 99% of the fine particles that it collects. Overall, the system is number one, compact, really good looking, powerful. It has a large bin, extra filter, and a great filtration system. Great unit, and I would highly recommend.